Hey folks, today I'm just building on last week. More shuvits, more boardslide to fakie. I was really happy with how last week went in terms of learning shuvits. They started to feel a lot more comfortable. So I'm trying to build on that. Hopefully we can land boardslide to fakie. That'll be really cool if we can do that. All right, let's go. Me, that was an absolute nightmare. Family just treating the park like a playground for 45 minutes. Onto boardslide to fakie. Let's go. All right, very sketchy, but it's a make. I'll take it. I'll try some 50-50s on this very small manual pad. And then that's me done. Thanks for watching again, guys. I'll see you all next week. I appreciate everyone that's watching, following the journey.